Assalamualaikum, my name is Yanti and welcome to our Halalogy Tech Talk series. During my free time, I develop Android app, and in this episode, I will tell you where can we learn to become an Android developer. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we post a new video. In my previous video, I've mentioned the many different options on developing Android app, either native app or using cross-platform SDK. In this video, I will cover the native app development. To develop native Android app, you need to know how to code in Java or Kotlin. Java has been in existence for almost 30 years and it is an object-oriented programming which are used in many front-end and back-end applications in an organization as well as for Android. While Kotlin is a newer language and it is a lot simpler and concise than Java, and it is 100% interoperable with Java. In 2019, Google has announced that Kotlin is its preferred programming language for Android app developer. If you decide to develop using Kotlin, you can explore Kotlin Bootcamp for programmers offered by Android. You can go to developer.android.com/courses and scroll down to Kotlin language training and start the course. This will take you to a series of code lab based training. Once you complete it, you can go ahead and begin the Android basics in Kotlin. I'll put down all the links mentioned in this video in the description, okay? For myself, I have gone through half of the Kotlin bootcamp since I have learned Java in my first year during uni, and I straight away learned Android development using Java. For those of you who has possessed Java skills, you can check out Kotlin for Java developer course to learn how to convert your Java knowledge into Kotlin. For those without Java skills and you want to build Android using Java, you can go to Coursera and look for a list of Java courses. The good thing about Coursera is that they have forums, and whenever they give assignment, you can discuss if you have issues in the forum. So it's a good two-way communication in between the students, and you can learn this at your own pace as well. It's not limited to attending physical classes. Anyone can enroll for free, but you will need to pay a certain amount of money if you want to participate in graded quiz, assignment, as well as receive the course certificate. These courses are taught by university, so the course structure is university learning style approach. Your brain will get overloaded with new information as the course will cover end-to-end topic which will turn you from zero to hero. Specialization contains several courses and each courses normally take around 4 weeks or more to complete. Since this is an online learning, you can learn it at your own pace. If you are quick, you can complete it in shorter amount of time, else you can take as long as you want to learn all of them. Once you are expert in Java, you can go ahead to this section for Android Java developers. Go to Android Developer Fundamental and start the course. I took around 2 weeks to complete this course, and once you're done with the fundamental, you can go ahead and start the advanced course. There is also an option for you to earn nano degree and certificate from Google, but you will have to pay for this certification. Aside from Coursera, you can also go and search online classes available on Udemy or Shaw Academy, and even the local classes conducted at your place in your country. If you guys have learned about programming for Android mobile development anywhere else online, please let me know in the comment below so we can all benefit from it. If you learn from sources that has no communication between teachers and students, I suggest you use Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a forum for developers for various coding language, which allows you to post questions and help each other to give solution. This is the best place for me to learn about something which I am having trouble with. Now it's time to turn your idea into reality. My tips for beginner: always start small, don't become over ambitious, because developing and testing as well as launching the app takes some time. You can always add on new features in your app at later stage. So I wish you good luck in learning and developing your Android app. And don't forget to share this video if you have friends who are interested on becoming Android developer. I'll see you in the next episode. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.